How to fix iPhone green screen. Experiencing a green screen issue on your iPhone can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem. 1. Restart your iPhone. This is often the simplest solution for many technical glitches. Press and hold the power button until the slider appears, then slide it to power off. After a few seconds, turn your iPhone back on. 2. Check for software updates. Make sure your iPhone's operating system is up to date. Go to Settings, then General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. 3. Reset all settings. Resetting all settings can sometimes resolve software-related issues without affecting your data. Go to Settings, then General, then Reset all settings. Note that this will reset all your settings to their default values, so you may need to reconfigure preferences afterward. 4. Force restart. If your iPhone is unresponsive, you can try force restarting it. The method varies depending on your iPhone model. For iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the sleep-wake side button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier, press and hold the home button and the sleep-wake top or side button simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. 5. Restore iPhone. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to restore your iPhone using iTunes or Finder on a computer. This will erase all data on your iPhone, so be sure to back up your data beforehand. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes or Finder, select your device, and choose the option to restore it. 6. Contact Glasgow Repair Centre. If the green screen issue persists after trying all the troubleshooting steps, it may indicate a hardware problem. In this case, it's best to contact Glasgow Repair Centre for further assistance. They can diagnose the problem and provide repair options. Thank you for watching.